Nightmare Holdout bonus space. Let's take her down. Exact same way as before. Bring in Dev. Put him on hold. Bring in 17 Wastelanders and spread them out. This is the boring part. Just spread them out so you got them everywhere. So whoever shows up, you have the honor of killing them. Let's get another one down here. All right, so we got out here. Kill him. All right, he's gone. Now, put him on hold. What do we got here? We got, you should be on aggressive. You're the one right there. You need to be on aggressive. No, you guys can be on aggressive. You go help us out. You go kill somebody. Now they're just going to stay there, and you just kill them as they come. Keep your eyes open for the little buggies that throw the zombies. One's going to come over here, one's going to come over here. They come over here and here. After a while, you learn where they come from. As soon as they show up, you just get rid of them. There's one there. Okay, they killed him before I could get to him. There's one there. Get rid of him. There's one there. Get rid of him. My troops are killing them too fast. I don't have to do much. Wave 2 is done. Put them all on hold. Somebody's coming from up here. Nope. Here they come. Oh, there's another. Let's go get it. Give us some more troops to help us fight. Get back over here. We're just about done. We're going to have a couple buggies up here that come. We're going to have some planes that come. We'll have a buggy. There's a buggy that comes from down here. But basically, okay, there's a buggy up there. We got them. Here comes the planes. I think there's like 15 or 20 planes. But they die pretty quickly. Buggy down here, buggy over here, and we're done. There's a buggy. Go kill him. Usually is a buggy up here somewhere, so I'm going to send him up. Yes, he's up there somewhere. Usually there's a buggy down here. That's it. Just nothing to it. Oh, that's it. We're done. Let's see how we did. 3,500,000. No special rewards. See how we did for damage. Shouldn't be much. We'll have to reset this bad turkey. Well, I don't know why, because I'm not doing it anymore. I got too much XP. I just did it for the video. Anybody want 12 million XP? Send me your email. I'll send it to you. 12 minutes, which really means nothing. Clear out a few of these guys. 3 minutes, which, oh, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0. 1, 2. All right, can't do them both. Do one. Oh, no delay. Instant repair. Instant repair. That's it. Go and do like